Welcome back. You're watching Bollywood This Week. It's celebration time in B-Town as the biggest films compete to sweep the lady in black off her feet. Yes, you've guessed it right. It's Filmfare time. Take a look at B-Town's who's who that made it to the Filmfare nomination party in our next story.
प्रमोटिंग इस फिल्म मेरी फिल्म एक हफ्ते बाद रिलीज हो रही है तो वी वोंट बी एबल टू सेलिब्रेट विद एनीबॉडी आई डोंट हैव अ वैलेंटाइन दिस ईयर बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है और आई एम नॉमिनेटेड फॉर बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस सो आई एम फीलिंग रियली अमेजिंग अबाउट दिस नॉमिनेशन एंड द एंटायर क्रेडिट इज डेफिनेटली मोहित सूरीज माय डायरेक्टर माय मोस्ट अमेजिंग डायरेक्टर इन द होल वाइड वर्ल्ड हु आई लव सो मच and it's because of him that all my dreams, all my childhood dreams are coming true. And it's because of him that I feel on top of the world today.
Lovely wife, Aisha, and she plays a big part in making me a better person every day, and I am because of my mom, and then off because of my mom. We said that yesterday at the Screen Awards as well. But it's okay. I mean, I think we got a bunch of nominations. It would have been very nice if Deepika had got a nomination for Ye Jawani. I feel she really deserved it for Ye Jawani also, more than the other films, but it is what it is.
We are happy to be here, and nominations matter. People recognize us, we are here, and we'll clap for the winners. If we are winners, we want others to clap for us.
It's really a great honor to be associated with such big names, such huge names, and I have to really thank this man to have believed in me so much and found me from South, and he brought me here with so much of confidence, and he believed in me so much.
मुझे लगता है कि सब विनर्स हैं। मैं बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन नहीं हूँ अवार्ड सेरेमनीज़ की, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि कोई फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ मैं जब भी छोटी थी मुझे एग्ज़ाम्स भी नहीं पसंद थे बिकॉज किसी को प्राइज़ नहीं मिलना चाहिए। आई थिंक अगर आप परफॉर्मेंसेस को देखें तो आई थिंक सबके अच्छे परफॉर्मेंस थे, सबके अलग अलग परफॉर्मेंसेस थे, तो आई डोंट थिंक एनीबडी इज़ अ विनर और लूज़र। इसलिए मैं सिर्फ नॉमिनेशन पार्टी के लिए आई हूँ, मैं ज़्यादा अवार्ड फंक्शंस जाती नहीं हूँ। पिछले 7 साल से आई हैव ओनली बीन टू 1 अवार्ड फंक्शन इन द 7 years दैट आई बीन इन दिस इंडस्ट्री, और मैं सिर्फ यहाँ आई हूँ बिकॉज आई जस्ट वांट टू सेलिब्रेट एवरीबडी इज़ बीन नॉमिनेटेड बिकॉज आई थिंक एवरीबडी इज़ अ विनर।
Moving on, Bollywood's Khiladi Akshay Kumar has gone for quite a makeover for his next film, Gabbar. Take a look at Aki's new avatar in our next story.
We all know that Khiladi Kumar and fitness go hand in hand. Wherever there is fitness, there's Akshay Kumar. And that's also the reason why he's known as Khiladi Kumar. Well, Aki reached Mumbai Shivaji Park to inaugurate actor Dino Moria's gym recently. And the most interesting thing was Akshay Kumar's new look. Rough hair and beard gave him the perfect rugged look. And if you're wondering what the look is for, then it's none other than for his next film, Gabbar. But surprisingly, Akshay refused to talk about the film.
I said, let's not talk about movies. I'm not come here as a film star. I've come here to see this kind of fitness because I envy fitness. और मेरे हिसाब से भले ये छोटी सी चीज़ है, लेकिन बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है.
But when the media once again tried to ask Aki about his forthcoming films and his look, then this is what he had to say.
नहीं जी, अभी मैं बताना नहीं चाहूँगा. अब मैं सिर्फ फिटनेस के बारे में बताना चाहूँगा. सेहत के बारे में बात करेंगे, लुक के बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे. हमेशा सोचता हूँ कि ये जो है, it gives you a much better health than any other kind of gyms which are open. I think I salute Mr. Dino for starting this, and I just pray and I request everyone to give complete help to him so that he can open all over Bombay. Their plan is to open about 100 of them. I think it should go to 1,000 because in Bombay, I think people need a lot of workouts, exercise, and fitness.
Moving on, the man behind the event was actor Dino Moria. Dino himself is a fitness freak and he was quite excited about his brand new open-air fitness gym. Let's hear what he has to say.
ये पहली बार मैं मुंबई में कर रहा हूँ और मतलब मुंबई वासियों को फिटनेस के बारे में और जागरूक हो, अगर वो जागरूक हो तो और बेहतर हो जाएगा। और ये मेरा अनुभव रहा है कि जब एक दिन मैं जॉगिंग और वॉकिंग के लिए गया, मैंने देखा कि यार उसके अलावा और कुछ है नहीं एक्सरसाइज करने के लिए और कोई फैसिलिटी है नहीं। तो हमने सोचा तभी कि अगर इस तरह की फैसिलिटी इंतजाम करेंगे तो लोग फिटनेस की तरफ और आकर्षित हो जाएंगे।
And that's not all. Aditya Thackeray too was present at the event and he equally participated to spread awareness about fitness. Well, all in all, the event turned out to be quite an interesting one. But Aki's cautious attitude towards talking about his future projects has still left us wondering, is there something the actor is hiding?
Time again for a